Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce subscription fees with Netflix, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current subscription plan. Log into your Netflix account on your device. Navigate to the account settings section. Take note of your current plan and its monthly fee. Consider if you truly need the highest tier plan. Explore the standard and basic plans for potential savings. Compare the benefits of each plan based on your viewing habits. Evaluate how many screens you typically use at once. If you usually watch alone or with one other person, the basic plan might suffice. Review your Netflix usage over the past month. Identify any content you rarely watch. If certain categories don't interest you, consider reducing your subscription tier. If you share your account with family or friends, have a discussion about shared costs. Look into Netflix's option for splitting payments among multiple users. Take advantage of the free trial offers for other streaming platforms. This allows you to explore additional content while potentially reducing your Netflix need. Consider subscribing to a different streaming service for a limited time instead of Netflix. Look for bundles that include Netflix with other services for a better overall price. If you notice promotional offers, be sure to capitalize if they align with your needs. Keep an eye on Netflix's offer changes and new subscription models. Check your email for any communication about deals or offers from Netflix. Inquire if there are any student or multi-account discounts available. Evaluate how often you binge-watch entire series versus casual viewing. Curate a watch list to maximize your viewing experience. If there's too little content that excites you, it might be time to reconsider. Limit your subscription during months when you predict lower usage. Remember to check for any promotions that could lower your current payment. Stay informed about any changes Netflix implements to its pricing structure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.